Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need just a few essentials. Both of you signed into Apple ID with iCloud Calendar enabled. Once that's confirmed, open Calendar and tap Calendars, then the plus sign to create a calendar. Make sure you choose iCloud as the account. That's why this syncs across devices. Name the calendar clearly for both people. Once done, tap Done and you've created the shared container where events will live. Now you're ready to invite and assign permissions. Next, select the calendar and tap the information icon, then add person to invite your collaborator by their Apple ID email or phone. Once invited, choose Edit Permissions if you both need to create and change events. View Only restricts changes. The other person accepts in their calendar app or mail. Once accepted, the calendar shows under Shared. Make sure your default calendar is set to this shared calendar when creating events. So new entry. To complete setup, confirm calendar sync settings. Settings, passwords, and accounts, fetch new data should allow push or frequent fetch. Once done, open calendar and pull down to force a refresh. New events should appear. If not, toggle iCloud Calendar off and on for that account, or sign out and back into iCloud as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched time zone or disabled fetch often causes missing events, so make sure both devices share correct time zone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.